Severe weather team coverage.
A winter storm is causing a mess along the East Coast. Heavy snow piled up in Pennsylvania, slowing down drivers and sending cars off the road. More than 8 inches fell in the Philadelphia area, causing headaches for motorists.
The storm just came out of nowhere. It just hit us, honestly.
And all of a sudden, just bam, hit us, and then I'm slipping and sliding.
The Eagles and Lions played Sunday afternoon football in near whiteout conditions. Crews worked through the game to clear the field. The storm charging up the East Coast is dropping snow and freezing rain. It's part of the storm system that's been pummeling much of the nation. It canceled more than 2,500 flights on Sunday and is causing more delays and cancellations for Monday morning travelers. Here in the Washington, D.C. metro area, the storm has turned mostly to rain, but if it gets any colder, freezing rain could start falling, and that would make for more treacherous driving conditions.
They have to keep moving the salt, keep the salt down, keep it wet, keep the slush down.
New York, Boston, and big cities farther north are preparing for bad weather that could disrupt the morning commute. In Arlington, Virginia, Susan McGinnis, Eyewitness News.
At 5:47 at Pinpoint weather and traffic are together. We're still seeing temperatures in most areas below freezing, but the warming is starting to occur enough so that we're not seeing just plain snow for most areas. It's a light snow and freezing drizzle, and that's represented by those areas of pink that we're seeing now for much of Rhode Island, even mixing as far north, some of our northern suburbs up into Boston. We've got some light snow falling there as well. There's a little bit of heavier precipitation just along and offshore, and that's looking like it will stay south of our area. So as anticipated, very light event where we're seeing that wintry mix here first thing this morning, transitioning over to rainfall. Be another chance for some snow tomorrow. Another weak system passes by, so more light snow in the forecast for Tuesday from late morning into the afternoon, followed up by much colder air. Temperatures will be running well below freezing. Upper 20s to lower 30s across our area here this morning. We're keeping a close eye on these temperatures. We're up above freezing now. Boston, Plymouth, and Hyannis. Our winds turning to the east, pulling in a warmer ocean air, and that warm up expected to occur in Rhode Island first at our coastline. You can see Block Island's already up to 37. It takes a little bit longer further north, and that's why we're expecting the slippery travel conditions to last longer there. Because the precipitation is so light, visibility is actually pretty decent across our area. It's 29 in Providence right now with that northeast wind at around 7 miles an hour. Taking a look at the satellite, the radar composite, we've just got some light snow again from overnight, transitioning now to that wintry mix here in southern New England. You can see off to our west some drier air, but still light rain and snow showers expected to continue here this morning through about 7 o'clock. Areas south of 95. Providence points south and east of the coastline, seeing that transition from sleet to freezing rain over to just plain rain. And then it's between 7 a.m. and about 11 a.m. that we'll see that wintry mix change to rain north and west of 95. So lasting longer there, and those lighter lingering showers and drizzle tapering off then for the afternoon. As we take a look at our futurecast, 8 o'clock this morning, showing still the potential for rain and freezing rain, especially again north and west of 95. Into the afternoon, lighter showers, drizzle tapering off, and then overnight tonight we are mostly cloudy. We're going to stay dry through the nighttime hours. Next system right on the heels of this one. This is 7 o'clock in the morning, so clouding up across our area. Some light snow trying to clip, especially our coastal areas. Some of our computer models, though, bring this up all the way across much of Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts. So we're looking at the potential for some small accumulations tomorrow, but the fact that it'll be happening during the daylight hours probably hold those accumulation amounts down. Futurecast for this morning. By 9 o'clock, I think we're back up above or near freezing most spots with that mix of wintry weather early, changing to rain. And then for the afternoon, about 42, any showers and drizzle coming to an end with those temperatures climbing above freezing. And into the afternoon, overnight hours, we've got a 32-degree temperature, mostly cloudy, dry, and cool conditions. So the 7-day futurecast actually has a lot to talk about, not just with today's timing issues with the start of this wintry weather here impacting the morning commute, but also with tomorrow. And the temperatures tomorrow reaching up to only about 35 degrees. And this is between maybe 10 and 3 that we have our highest chances of seeing some light snow. Accumulations will be probably small, but maybe up to an inch or so of snow. Wednesday's high only near 33. Look how chilly the temperatures are through the end of the week and the weekend. Overnight lows in the teens, and we're going to be watching Saturday night into Sunday morning. There's yet another offshore storm to track. Depending on how close it comes to us, we'll see a chance of rain or snow, and it's mainly a late Saturday into early Sunday. So we'll keep you updated on that. You want to check in with Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca tonight, starting live at 5, right here on WPRI. Here's Jam Cam traffic reporter Gina Brown.
Well, Michelle, we've had quite a bit of action here early this morning. Going to take a quick look now. This is just an example of how things are still frozen. Some ice on the camera here. 95 in Warwick is in between the airport connector Jefferson Boulevard. Traffic is okay, but you can see even some brake lights breaking through that ice on the camera. Let's head on over to the maps where we have what looks like an accident here. We actually have 2 crashes in Pawtucket, one clearing